Before spending hundreds of dollars on your first Swiss watch, you need to see this. The Tissot PRX has become one of the most popular watches in its price range. But is it actually a great watch, or is it just another watch getting hyped online? Today we're taking a closer look at the design, movement, wearing experience, and whether the Tissot PRX is really worth your money. The Tissot PRX is one of the watches that changed the entry-level Swiss watch market. It offers a luxury-inspired integrated bracelet design, a Swiss automatic movement, and impressive specifications at a relatively affordable price. But every watch has compromises, so let's find out who should buy it and who should skip it. Let's start with the design. The first thing you notice about the PRX is the integrated bracelet. This style became famous in luxury watches, but Tissot brought a similar design language to a much more accessible price point. The case has sharp lines, polished edges, and a slim profile that gives the watch a very premium appearance. The waffle-style dial texture adds depth and catches light beautifully. Available colors include blue, black, green, and silver, making it easy to match different styles. The 40mm case size is versatile for most wrists. It works well with business outfits, casual clothing, and everyday wear. From a design perspective, this watch looks much more expensive than it actually is. Inside the automatic version is the Powermatic 80 movement. The biggest advantage is the impressive 80-hour power reserve. That means if you take the watch off for a few days, it can continue running without needing to reset the time. For an entry-level Swiss automatic watch, this is a strong feature. The PRX also comes with sapphire crystal, which provides excellent scratch resistance. The water resistance is 100 meters, making it suitable for daily activities. You can wear it to work, during travel, and for everyday situations without worrying too much. Now let's talk about comfort. The integrated bracelet gives the PRX a unique feeling on the wrist. It sits close to the case and creates a very smooth appearance. However, there is one thing to consider. The bracelet design does not fit every wrist perfectly. People with smaller wrists may find the 40mm version slightly large. If you have a smaller wrist, the 35mm version may be a better choice. So, what do we like about the Tissot PRX? First, the design. It offers a premium look at a much lower price. Second, the movement. The Powermatic 80 provides excellent power reserve and reliability. Third, the overall value. It gives you a true Swiss watch experience without entering luxury prices. But there are some drawbacks. The integrated bracelet limits strap options. And the design is not for everyone. Some people may prefer a more traditional watch style. So, should you buy the Tissot PRX? If you want your first Swiss automatic watch, a stylish everyday watch, or something that looks more expensive than it costs, the PRX is one of the strongest choices in this category. But if you want maximum versatility or a more classic style, there may be better options. Overall, the Tissot PRX is not perfect. But it is one of the watches that proves you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to enjoy great watch design. For the full review, specifications, and buying recommendations, check out our detailed guide on NxGenPicks.com. And let us know, would you choose the Tissot PRX as your first Swiss watch?